Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chicken soup from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of bone-in chicken, which provides a deeper flavor. Next, chop up 2 cups of aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Finally, ensure you have 8 cups of quality chicken broth and your favorite fresh herbs, such as parsley or thyme, on hand. These foundational elements are key to a comforting and flavorful soup. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get them prepped. Start by rinsing your chicken pieces under cold water and patting them completely dry. This helps with browning. Then, take your carrots, celery, and onions and chop them into roughly 1/2-inch pieces to ensure even cooking. Don't forget to mince about 3 cloves of garlic and finely chop your fresh herbs. Proper preparation makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. With everything prepped, it's time to start cooking our soup base. In a large pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Brown your chicken pieces for about 5 minutes on each side until golden. Remove the chicken, then add your chopped vegetables and garlic to the pot, sautéing for approximately 8 minutes until they are tender. Pour in the 8 cups of chicken broth, return the chicken, and bring it all to a gentle simmer for 30 minutes. After simmering, carefully remove the chicken from the pot. Once it's cool enough to handle, shred the meat from the bones and discard the bones and skin. Stir the shredded chicken back into the soup, along with your fresh, chopped herbs. Let it heat through for a few more minutes, then taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Serve your comforting chicken soup warm. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.